Avoid those long queue at the check-in counters of NAIA Terminal 3 and take this opportunity to use the express check-in counters of Cebu Pacific. Plus, you will get a freebies, a discount voucher, and a souvenir item without extra charge. And of course, avoid missing out your flight. Coming up. Welcome back to our channel. So it's already December and malapit na magpapasko and uso na ngayon ang Vlogmas. So nakaisip din ako ng paraan ko to have an entry for the Vlogmas. So ginawan ko ng konting twist ng Vlogmas. So tinatawag ko siya ang Vlogmas 12 Days of Christmas. So ano ibig sabihin nun? I'll be posting a video starting December 14 until December 25. That's daily. So that's a total of 12 days. And then the topics of those videos, it can be travel related, random vlogs, or any tips somehow related to Christmas. So on this first day of my Vlogmas, so based dun sa intro ko kanina, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kayo makaiwas sa mahabang pila sa NAIA Terminal 3. Alam naman natin pag peak season sa airports, kahit saang terminal yan sa NAIA, sobrang haba talaga ng pila. So, just recently, Resorts World Manila in partnership with Cebu Pacific, they opened the Travelers Lounge that is located at the ground floor of Resorts World Manila. So, pagkapasok nyo sa main entrance, if you haven't been to Resorts World Manila, search lang sa Google Maps or sa Waze, alam naman na yon. Or you can take a taxi going to Resorts World Manila and other ways. There are shuttles as well provided by Resorts World. You can check out the website of Resorts World Manila. Ilalagay ko sa description box to check out the locations of their shuttle pickup points and the schedule as well. And of course, for more convenient, you may download the Resorts World Manila mobile app to check the latest happening of Resorts World. And then, nandun na rin nakapost yung mga schedule ng shuttle services ng Resorts World. Schedule ng movies and upcoming shows or current events na nagaganap sa Resorts World Manila. So wag na natin patatagalin pa, ituturo ko na sa inyo kung paano nyo magagamit ang express check-in ng Cebu Pacific located at Resorts World Manila. So pagkapasok nyo sa main entrance ng Resorts World, you have to turn right. Makikita nyo sa main entrance, meron siyang fountain. And then, kakanan lang po kayo. And sa pinakadulo ng hallway, you will see the BDO Bank. And then right across BDO, nandun yung Travelers Lounge, which is occupied siya ngayon ng Cebu Pacific Express check-in counters. So, ang kinikater ng Cebu Pacific Express check-in counters is any flights or domestic and international flights. So currently, the express check-in of Cebu Pacific is open from 12 noon until 12 midnight. And then, pagkadating nyo dun, present your booking ticket to the check-in counter and normal process. After checking all your details, you have to provide valid ID, and if you're flying international, just present your passport. That's mandatory. And then after that, once confirmed, you will get your boarding pass. So, nabanggit ko kanina na merong freebies. Actually, the freebies is coming from Resorts World. So, right beside the check-in counter of Cebu Pacific, there is a membership counter wherein you have to proceed on that counter after your check-in and then present your boarding pass. If you're an existing member of Resorts World, just present your Resorts World membership card together with your boarding pass, and then you will get a 300 slot credits that can be played in slot machine. And of course, this is applicable for 21 years old and above. Plus, on top of the 300 slot credit, you will get a 150 discount voucher sa any Resorts World owned restaurant. So ano-ano ba yung mga Resorts World owned restaurants? At the ground floor, at the casino area, meron silang 4 na outlets. So first is the Silog. It's a Filipino cuisines. Second, we have the Bar 360. We have the Franks, as well as Victoria Harbor Cafe. And then outside the gaming area, at the entrance of Maxim's Hotel, nandun naman yung Cafe Maxim's. And then going up at the second floor, meron dalawang restaurants doon. The Passion Restaurant, it's a Chinese fine dining restaurants. And then Ginza doon, that's a Japanese and Korean restaurant. Going to the third floor, meron ding restaurants doon na Resorts World owned outlets. And then as well as on the 5th floor of the Maxim's Hotel. So this is the catch. if you're not yet a member of Resorts World, of course, meron ka ng valid ID. Just fill out the application form of Resorts World membership, and then just around 5 minutes, mapaprocess na yung membership card nyo, and that's for free. Magiging double na yung freebies nyo. On top dun sa nabanggit ko na 300 slot credits plus the 150 discount voucher, you will get an additional 300 slot credits. So magiging 600 slot credits na yon. Plus, you have a discount voucher at the Bar 360, and then as well as you will get a Resorts World souvenir item. I believe ngayon yung binibigay ni Resorts World is a keychain. And then, don't you worry guys, kasi all around Resorts World, naka-display naman yung mga flight schedules. In case may changes dun sa flight nyo, makikita nyo sa mga LED screens all around Resorts World, naka-flash yon. And then that's real time. So mabilis lang pumunta sa Terminal 3. You can either take a shuttle, yung shuttle bus ng Resorts World. Yung pick-up point ng shuttle bus ng Resorts World going to Naiya Terminal 3 and other terminals. Meron sa Marriott Hotel, meron din sa Holiday Inn Express. Yun yung mga pick-up points, and then as well as in Belmont. And the fastest way, kasi pag nagtitake ka ng shuttle bus, tendency is traffic. The best way and hassle-free going to Terminal 3, if alam nyo na yung Runway Manila, it's a connecting bridge from Newport City going to Naiya Terminal 3. So, from Maxim's Entrance, you can take a shuttle going to Runway Manila, and then from there, tatawid na lang kayo ng bridge. Kung medyo may mga kasama naman kayong bata or medyo matanda na, nahirap na rin maglakad, you can, pag-akyat nyo dun sa 5th floor ng bridge, may mga available na golf cart na magta-transport sa inyo from the entrance ng runway going to the end point to the Terminal 3. So, yun lang. Pagkadating nyo dun, hindi na kayo pipila kasi di ba kadalasan especially ngayon, super haba ng pila kahit sa entrance pa lang, papasok pa lang mismo doon sa Terminal 3. But if you're using the Runway Manila Bridge, walang pila doon, and then may walkulator pa across. So very convenient. And ang kagandahan doon, yung entrance ng Terminal 3, if you're accessing the runway, departure area na agad yun ng Naiya Terminal 3. So if naka-check-in ka na naman, if wala kang check-in baggage, you can go directly to your boarding gate. And then if you have a lot of time after your check-in dun sa express check-in sa may Travelers Lounge ng Resorts World, pwede nyo gamitin yung freebies na nakuha nyo sa slot machine, or you can use the discount voucher, or pwede kayo manood ng movies muna kasi sa 4th floor ng Resorts World sa Newport Mall, meron silang cinema, so pwede muna kayong manood ng movies while waiting for your flight. And then after that, there are a lot of restaurants as well sa 2nd floor ng Newport Mall. And then shopping na rin, since it's a mall, pwede na rin kayo mag-shopping, mga pasalubong nyo or whatsoever na pwede nyong gawin sa mall, sa Newport Mall. So, super convenient, super madali. Hindi ka napipila sa napakahabang pila ng check-in counters doon sa Naiya Terminal 3. So, currently, ang kinikater pa lang muna ng Travelers Lounge is Cebu Pacific Fly. Then, I think they're working on some other airlines na pwede na rin kayo mag-check-in doon in the near future. Sana mas maraming airline na ang makagamit sa Travelers Lounge na yun. Kasi it's really convenient para hindi ka na rin ma-traffic going to Naiya Terminal 3, magda-drop ka na lang sa Resorts World, mag-check-in, and then pag may extra time ka pa, pwede ka munang mag-iikot-ikot within Resorts World. So that's all for now, guys. This is the day 1 of my Vlogmas of 12 days of Christmas. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now and click that notification bell. And please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and share nyo rin itong video na to para malaman din ng iba na meron tayong option aside dun sa pag-check-in dun sa Naiya Terminal 3. May options kayo if you're flying with Cebu Pacific. And that's all for now, and see you tomorrow of our day 2 of Vlogmas 12 days of Christmas. Bye!